Number 5. Use free e-commerce platforms. Most people think you need Shopify to start dropshipping. But guess what? You don't. There are free platforms like BigCartel and Ecwid that let you set up an online store at zero cost. You can even start with a free WooCommerce store on WordPress if you already have a website. No monthly fees, no upfront investment, just pure hustle. Number 4. Find a niche that doesn't require ads. Forget expensive Facebook and TikTok ads. If you want to start with no money, you need a niche that thrives on organic traffic. Think trending accessories, unique print-on-demand designs, or problem-solving gadgets. These are perfect for marketing through free platforms like Pinterest, Reddit, and even Facebook Marketplace. No ad spend, just smart targeting. Number 3. Leverage free marketing strategies. Social media is your best friend. TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts can skyrocket your business without spending a dime. Post engaging content, showcase your products, and use viral trends to get eyes on your store. And here's a secret. Micro-influencers often promote products in exchange for a free sample. Find those with under 10K followers and DM them. Free exposure, free sales. Number 2. Use print on demand for zero inventory risk. What if you could sell t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases without touching inventory? With Printful and Printify, you can. They handle the printing and shipping for you. No bulk orders, no warehouse fees. Just upload your design and collect the profits. This is the ultimate low-risk way to start dropshipping with no money down. And finally, number 1. Start with a supplier that offers free trials or no upfront fees. AliExpress and CJ Dropshipping have suppliers that don't charge upfront fees. Some even allow you to list products on your store before paying for inventory. Plus, platforms like Spocket and Zendrop offer free trials, so you can test suppliers without spending a cent. The key: choose fast shipping suppliers to keep customers happy and avoid refunds. There you have it. 5 proven ways to start a dropshipping business with no money. It's all about being resourceful, using free tools, and maximizing organic traffic. So, what's stopping you? Get started today and turn your $0 investment into a thriving online business.